many factions of Pakistan's legal community feel their autonomy is being threatened. These were the scenes outside the Peshawar High Court as lawyers protested the President's notices on the appointment of judges. However, the legal community seems divided as the lawyers of the People's Lawyers Movement have refused to stage protests.
Belongs to People Party. They are from Zardari. They are not from independent community. Therefore, they are supposed to defend the Zardari. But so far as the legal fraternity is concerned, the National Coordination Council is concerned, the bar associations are concerned, we are supporting independent judiciary, we are supporting the entire judgments of the Supreme Court.
Meanwhile, similar protests in Karachi launched an anti-government rally outside the Sindh High Court and the Karachi Bar, as lawyers congregated to chant anti-government slogans.
The government to try and subjugate the judiciary and to introduce political interference in the appointment of judges. About 15 years ago, in the Al-Jihad case, there was a principle laid down that the Chief Justice's recommendations as far as judicial appointments are concerned shall have primacy. And that was in response to this culture of political appointees to the bench. That we will not stand for any attempt to take us back into those dark days.
Scenes of this nature were also witnessed in Hyderabad, but here too, pro-government lawyers put up support for the President and raised slogans against the judges and presiding officers. Meanwhile, in Larkana, the courts did not function and judges preferred to stay inside their chambers despite the fact that the bar is a staunch supporter of the PPP. Amidst this latest judicial crisis, those who suffer are the litigants who were left out in the cold due to these demonstrations.
इसके लिए हुआ है और जजों के खिलाफ जो भी कुछ आज हो रहा है इससे हमारे सारे गरीब आवामी दरबदर हो रहे हैं.
The arguments between the government and the judiciary remain unresolved, and one will only have to wait and see how the rift between the government and the judiciary plays out. However, until things return to normal, scores of litigants will be left waiting for justice. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.